Now dear student, we are going to solve question number 6.4, and in this question it is given to you the potential energy function for a particle executing linear simple harmonic motion is given by Vx equal to kx square by 2. Clear? So actually you can say here potential energy versus x graph is given to you, and you can say this is parabola. Clear? Now one relation is given. This relation is given to you Vx, and this is equal to kx square by 2. Clear? This relation is given to you. Clear? And where k is what? K is, we can say, that is force constant of a oscillator. Clear? And value of k, this is also given to you. This one we have 0.5 Newton per meter. Clear? Now in this question it is given, we have to show a particle of total energy 1 joule moving under this potential must turn back when it reaches x equal to this one. Clear? So first we will write here general term or general expression of a total energy. So I can say total energy, this is given by kinetic energy plus potential energy. Clear? Kinetic energy is given by half of mv square plus, I can say, this is given by 1 by 2 kx square according to question. Clear? Now in this question it is given a particle is having total energy 1 joule when it turns back. Turns back means, we can say, because this is an oscillator. So in oscillation we will find particle velocity 0 at extreme conditions, or we can say at extreme positions, x equal to minus a, x equal to plus a. Clear? But at that time we can see velocity is 0 but acceleration is maximum. Clear? So if we talk about velocity at extreme position, I can say velocity is 0, it means I can say kinetic energy is 0. Clear to everyone? Yes. So total energy, I can say this is 1 joule, and this is given by 1 by 2 kx square. Clear? So I can say 1 by 2 value of k. Value of k, I can say 0.5. So this is 1 by 2. I can say this is x square, and this one is equal to 1. Clear? So from here I can say, I can write like this, x square by 4, this is equal to 1. So x square equal to plus minus, I can say this is 2 whole square, or you can say like this. Clear? So from here you can say x equal to, we can say, plus minus 2. It means we are getting two position at which we will find value of velocity 0, or we can say total energy 1 joule. Clear? So we can say here, you can say this is x equal to plus 2, and let's suppose this is x equal to minus 2. Here we are getting potential energy. This potential energy is equal to total energy. Why? Because I can say